The use of uncrewed aerial systems, or drones, for coastal mapping is a well-established practice. Since 2013, our consultancy has used numerous types of uncrewed aircraft to undertake a wide range of topographical and environmental surveys, starting with a 5 kilo octocopter hand-built in Germany with only a 15-minute flight time, to the latest vertical takeoff and landing, or VTOL, fixed-wing aircraft with a 90-minute endurance. These latest drones are capable of carrying a wide variety of hot swappable mapping sensors, such as exceptionally high resolution cameras, 5-directional oblique cameras, multispectral cameras, and post-process kinematic corrected time of flight survey grade LiDAR, enabling high accuracy surveys of many coastal environments. In the following example, a 3 kilometre chalk cliff at Bempton, drone LiDAR and drone photogrammetry is being used to monitor the cliffs each spring and each autumn. The LiDAR enables classification and removal of vegetation and is used to identify any tension cracks at the surface. The photogrammetry of the cliffs is being used to map the strata and determine how much material is falling off the cliffs each season. The next example is a 4 kilometre coastal survey of Barton-on-Sea, which would be difficult without the use of drone photogrammetry. And the last example is geomorphological mapping at Kilve Beach. With all of these long coastal sections, a beyond visual line of sight with visual observer operational authorization enables 4 kilometers, 2 kilometers in each direction, to be undertaken in a single flight. As well as undertaking topographical surveys, drones can be used to provide the basis for geological mapping and geotechnical analyses. Drones were used to produce an accurate geological map of the landslide at Lady Bay, and subsequent surveys have shown how the beach morphology and landside scar is changing with time. At Burnbeck Pier, a drone survey was used to determine the rockfall potential of the cliffs and used to produce the rockfall net design. The very last example is of a drone survey of the 425-metre high northeast buttress of Gibraltar, upon which a rockfall assessment was undertaken, and exemplifies the impressive surveys that can be created by drones for coastal and environmental mapping.